Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, Save Me, we will be covering the section of speaking, in which, first of all, we will learn some new vocabulary words and their meanings. And after that, you will be using those words in your creative sentences. And at the end, we will see what is a play. So, open up page number 24 and let's get started. First of all, let us learn some new vocabulary words. Repeat these words after me. The first word is skit. S-K-I-T. Skit. Recycling. R-E-C-Y-C-L-I-N-G. Recycling. Competition. C-O-M-P-E-T-I-T-I-O-N. Competition. Environment. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T. Environment. Important. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important. Arguing. A-R-G-U-I-N-G. Arguing. Cleanliness. C-L-E-A-N-L-I-N-E-S-S. Cleanliness. Dustbin. D-U-S-T. Dust. B-I-N. Bin. Dustbin. Plastic. P-L-A-S-T-I-C. Plastic. And the last word is remember. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. Remember. Very good. Now that you know the new words, let's learn their meanings. Skit is a short, funny play. Recycling is the act of processing used materials into new products. Competition is an event in which someone tries to win than someone else. Environment is the surrounding in which living things live. Important means of great value. Arguing means disagreeing while speaking angrily with someone. Cleanliness means quality of keeping yourself and the environment clean. Dustbin is a large container for rubbish. Plastic is a material that can be easily shaped. Remember means to keep information in your mind. Now learn these new words and their meanings, and then use these words in your creative sentences.